So I'm out here at my deer feeder and it's time for a new battery. So I got another one of these Mighty Max batteries because they last a long time with no hassle and they recharge on the solar panel just fine. So I've had some other ones that don't seem to recharge on solar well, and then I had to take them in, charge them up, put them back out there, and they'll last for a while. But this one just seems to work well, and they're like half the price if I buy them in the store versus if I buy them online from this company. So definitely would recommend for a deer feeder like this one that's constant use. I want the battery to work. It's annoying when the deer is standing around and no food's coming out. So that's it. It's got just your two connectors there, hook up to your standard deer feeders, all different shapes and sizes. They all pretty much work the same, but that's what you got to have is a consistent battery source to drive it. And then I'll just set my timer here and we'll be good to go. So yeah, I definitely would recommend those Mighty Max batteries if you got to get a replacement. Have a great day.